Hi there, welcome to the Moore Park City Library. My name is Carol, and today we are decorating a steampunk picture frame. So let's get started. Your kit is going to look like this, and it is going to include, most importantly, instructions on how to do it. Next up, you are going to find a natural wood picture frame with a stand. You are going to find your paintbrush and craft glue, craft paint in burgundy, and steampunk charms. So you may want to decide in which direction you would like your picture to go before you decorate your frame. Also, you would like to decide whether or not you would like the wood frame or if you'd like a painted frame. Again, you also want to decide before you put your charms on which direction you would like your frame to go. Now, if you've chosen to paint your frame, you would like it to dry completely before you add the charms. Now, the best idea for adding charms is to put them on your frame where you think you would like them before you glue them down. And you can layer them a little bit and different things like that so that you have a nice little look similar to what I have. And again, you want to be able to move them around if you don't like where they are and redo it before you glue it down. When you're satisfied where everything is, then you can get your handy dandy craft glue out, and you don't need a lot of glue. You're just going to add a little bit to your piece, and then you're just going to drop it in place and just press it lightly. You do not need to press hard, just a little press down, and it'll stay where it is. Once everything is dry and you're satisfied, you are going to add your picture and you will add your stand. So on the back side, you'll see a hole here and a hole here, depending on where or which direction you have decided your picture is going to go. And you just stick your little stand in the hole, and it'll stand up just like that and like that. And your picture frame is finished and nice, and now you can enjoy your steampunk picture frame. Thank you for joining us at the Moore Park City Library. Have a great day.